I'm a little nervous. There's so much room back here. Not ready.
Hey guys, get ready to like, comment, and
You're
subscribe
already
down
recording?
below.
Fuck.
Yeah, I am. Yeah, are you looking at yourself or are you looking at the lens? 'Cause
I'm looking at my. I
people
think
can
I'm
tell.
looking at.
People can tell. I'm scared now. I'm nervous now. I've never done this in front of Hey guys! Wait, no.
There's a script or something.
No. Hey guys, it's Amanda, and if this is your first time at my channel, be sure to check out my other videos. I post every Sunday, usually about fashion, but this week it's about EDC.
EDC.
Because it's in less than a week, which is crazy.
It's in 6
Which
days.
is crazy. Anyways, this is my guest today.
Slash best friend.
Please
My name
introduce
is Joseph.
yourself. Okay, this is Joseph. Please follow his links. They will be down below. If you
I
want
will
to
be
shout out your
snapping,
links.
possibly live streaming on
Yes,
Instagram.
he will be
if
live
there's
streaming.
service.
So follow him. There will be service. So
I'm gonna take a
follow
full
him on
Wi-Fi.
Instagram. I will put his link right here.
And Snapchat.
So today's video, we're going to be talking about our first time.
First time.
At EDC, not sexually. So his first time was last year, 2017. In one word, how would you describe your first experience?
Memorable.
Oh, that's lame.
Lame.
I feel like if I could describe it in one word, it was like, what the fuck?
Okay, that's 3.
WTF? That's one word. It was overwhelming.
It was hot.
It was overwhelming and hot. Those are more than 4 words. Now we're just describing it.
But so much fun.
Yeah.
For the first time, I wasn't expecting it to be like that. Just alone, just waiting to get into the
venue.
The venue, yeah.
Yeah. It was like 2 hours.
2 hours. But right when you get in,
Yeah.
walking, because you're walking towards the tunnel. You're walking in the tunnel. Literally, your first glance at everything, you literally
I got
see
goosebumps
everything.
the first time because everyone in the tunnel was like, EDC, EDC.
Oh yeah,
And I was
EDC,
just like,
2017.
I was about to shit my pants because I was really nervous, and then everyone started doing that, and I got goosebumps.
I was not expecting to see so much color. Although it was
Yeah.
still like light out.
First
Wasn't
stage
it?
you see is Cosmic Meadows, right?
Was it? I think it was Cosmic Meadows.
And it's just like that stage is lit, and there's lights going.
We're walking down the bleachers, and like you can feel like the bass already.
Mm-hmm.
The lights going off, people exciting, people taking pictures. Amazing.
Amazing. You need to experience it. What we're gonna talk about now is like what to expect your first time, and
What to wear? You can see your
Excuse
previous
me.
videos.
okay, if you need to know what to wear, I have EDC 2016, 2017, and now 2018. I will link them down below. Tip number one. Figure out your group, your squad.
It's important to know who you're going with, and if you've been to raves before, you're gonna know who your rave family is. It's very important to go with people that are gonna make it fun and not stressful.
Yes.
That is
Number one.
the main priority.
Yeah, go with people that are gonna make it fun, because if you have to worry about where they are, what they're doing,
It's
if
just,
they-
it's
if
gonna
they run
create
off,
just
yeah.
a bad environment, bad atmosphere, and you're not gonna enjoy yourself.
yeah, you're gonna be stressed out.
So go with people that you know that are gonna have fun. And when I mean fun, I mean like not blacking out because too much alcohol or.
well, that can be fun to some people.
Unless you're gonna babysit them. No.
Okay, but to them it's fun, maybe not to you.
None of us black out.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying, from what people have told me, go with people that are you're gonna have
Who
fun
told
with.
you that? What the heck?
I can't say this person's Tip number 2. If you're going with a group of people, it's important to you have a designation
A
point.
meeting point.
A meeting point.
Yes.
That way, if you guys do ever get lost,
I was there. I was
She
at
got
the meeting
lost.
point, and
No.
nobody was there.
no.
I was trying
It
to
looks like
dial.
it's 2 people calling her and no answer.
I got chicken nuggets because
No.
I got hungry.
Okay, but I got a free one. Some stranger gave me a free chicken nugget.
Anyways, if
Have
you
a
get
meeting
lost,
point.
have a meeting point, a meeting spot.
It's literally gonna help you.
Because you don't get reception inside there sometimes. So, like, if you try and call them or text them, it might not go through. So you need, like, a meeting spot. We should have, like, said, like, just stay there. Because I was there for, like, 10, 15 minutes and no one was there, so I left. I should have just stayed there.
You were
You
not
guys weren't
there.
even there.
I sent her boyfriend.
You guys weren't even there.
To the meeting point because we didn't know where they were. Right before we went into one of the... What stage was it?
It was... Anyways.
But she went with another friend. Like, we were all in a group
There's 4 of
together.
us.
There's 4 of us that went last
Our
year.
friend went in front, and I was following him.
She was behind him.
Her
boyfriend was behind her, and then I was behind him.
Yeah.
We were, like, veering
And
to the
I
left
was
and going
on
around.
track. And this girl came up to me and was like, oh, cute outfit. And we danced together. We were vibing
So it was
together.
her fault.
No, I was on my track, and you guys should have been behind me. And then I turn around.
The first mistake
There was
having...
nobody there.
We
And
lost
I was
them.
like, you were behind me.
We lost them. So what we ended up doing is we ended up going back to where we all met. Not the meeting point. It was where we were... When...
I went to the meeting.
No, yeah, okay. The place where I kind of got like looked up. Meeting in that little picnic area right outside of
See,
baseball.
that's the problem. We had 2 meeting points.
No, we were just waiting there for like his song to finish or his artist to finish, and then that's when we went into circuit ground.
Yeah, but why would you guys wait back there?
We were waiting right there because our friend and your boyfriend were listening to the music. And we didn't want to listen to it. We wanted to go rest. So that's where we went. We went to go sit right there. I sent her boyfriend over to our meeting point. Nothing happened for 20 minutes. He comes back, and then that's when I tried calling you. You answered.
I couldn't hear anything.
Literally. Next thing I know, she comes up eating a chicken nugget with some French fries.
Yeah, I had a bucket, a little basket.
And I was like,
I was
where
hungry.
were you? She's like, I went to go get food.
It was an hour, and I was like, if they're
It
not
was
meeting
not
me,
an
I'm
hour.
gonna eat.
It was a max 30 minutes.
But I had to get food anyway, so I was like, well, if I'm lost, I might as well go get my food so we don't have to get it later.
And then-
I was trying to think ahead. I think it was like an hour.
No.
It was only 30 minutes?
It was like 30 minutes.
Okay, so it wasn't that bad.
It wasn't too bad. But then we found each other.
Yeah, okay, so back to our main point. Have a meeting spot
point.
and wait there.
Okay. 3.
Yep.
Tit, baby, tit.
Tip number 3.
It's obvious. Stay hydrated.
Stay hydrated. It is hot. It is Vegas. When we went, it was 100 degrees at
It
night.
was hot.
At night. We were
Everyone was
still
still
sweating.
sweating.
You're dancing. You're enjoying yourself. And
Stay hydrated.
Needs to be hydrated.
Drink water. They have like water stations.
self-serve and fountain
Yeah, they have
water.
Okay. You're not milking a cow. They have water stations, either self-serve or they serve the water or like they pour you the water.
Yeah.
So stay hydrated.
Tip number 4.
Ooh, that was good. Buy your merch
Day 1.
day 1.
Yes.
Sells out.
And they
No
don't have like
line.
sizes.
I ended up buying my keychain the last day, literally walking out day 3 back to
yeah,
our
mine
car. And all they had was this. It's
I got
cool.
a cute one. Mine's
It's a
cute.
rainbow. It looked like
I would say like if you want like t-shirts and hats though, those sell out like
yeah, sell out fast.
instantly. You want keychains and water
Yes.
bottles? They have those like day 2, day 3.
And especially with the water bottle, since they have the Insomniac logo on it, you can take it to any rave.
Yeah. So any like Insomniac
And
raves.
just as long as it's empty, they'll let you take it in.
Tip number 5.
What's the number 5?
Don't set a schedule.
Yeah, don't set the
yeah.
schedule. Just go with the vibes. Once you're in there, you're gonna get an understanding of the feel, the vibes. Everyone's super friendly.
Yeah.
So as
you
long
make
as
friends anywhere.
yeah, basically you'll make friends anywhere.
We were saying we were gonna have like at least one person every day. It's like we're gonna see no matter what. But other than that, like
We
if
have,
you
like,
set
no
a
agenda.
schedule, yeah, if you set a schedule, if you're like dancing and having fun at one stage, you're not gonna all want to go to another stage. Sometimes there's people that are gonna be like, no, I want to stay, whatever. You need to get water, you need to go to the bathroom, things like that. You can't set that. You can't base your schedule on that. So like, if you're having fun at a stage, just stay there. Like you'll see other people.
So it's important just to have fun.
Have
Go
fun.
from stage to stage, listen to different types of
Listen to
music.
new music.
Adventure out and
Like we went to Wasteland at least twice, and we don't even like that kind of music.
yeah.
But it's like fun just to see like all those
Like, different genres.
Headbangers. Yeah.
Headbangers.
We're not headbangers.
Yeah, we're not headbangers.
Tip number 6.
Tying into tip number 5, meeting new people. Everyone there is super friendly. Literally no bad vibes whatsoever. I got a free chicken nugget from a stranger. My first year, so many hugs. I wasn't
Yeah, if
expecting
it's your
it.
first time, tell people it's your first time, and they'll be even more nice to you.
They'll
just
be even
because,
more
like,
happy,
yeah.
more excited. You are going to get more candy.
Candy, if you don't know, is like those bracelets that they trade. and they'll say stuff on them. Like if you collect them, like you can remember like all your raves from that.
I still have my first candy. She gave me my first candy. When I was at EDC, I literally got one that said first EDC.
That was cool.
That was really cool. So just meet new people.
Talk to people. Like when you're
especially talk
dancing
to
with people next to people, just be like, hey.
Or
where you
waiting in
from?
line.
Yeah. You can meet so many people, especially people from your area and you don't even know.
Tip number
Tip number 7.
Wear comfortable shoes.
Don't get blisters. Don't wear
not-
shoes you just bought.
Yeah, guilty. I bought a new pair of white Converse. My intention was to get them dirty because I didn't want them to be white. So that's why I wore them. I ended up getting a few blisters. Nothing. A few
that kinda
alcohol,
sucks.
some drinks can kick in, and you feel nothing.
Yeah, they're gonna get dirty, so don't wear like.
Yeah,
a
my
new
intention
pair
was to get
either.
them dirty, so that's why I took them.
Yeah.
But wear comfortable shoes. It's huge difference when you wear like brand new shoes or uncomfortable shoes. It's gonna hurt and it's just ruin your experience.
Yeah, you're gonna be worried about your feet and like you want to sit
And
down.
dress comfortably too. That ties in with wearing uncomfortable shoes. Yeah, you can dress up and have fun, but keep in mind at the end of the day, it's all for Instagram. So at the beginning,
That's not what the message is. No.
Close.
Tip number 8. Take a picture of your outfit if you want
Oh,
it
yeah.
in the beginning of the day.
before it gets all messed
Before
up.
you get nasty and have sweat, and at night too, you can't even see your outfit.
Yeah, it's too dark.
So like
There's
before
lights
you
going
go,
everywhere.
take a picture.
Take pictures.
That's what we need to do this
That's
year.
what we do.
Tip
Tip number 9. Not
9.
9. Have fun. Everyone deserves to have a drink.
Or do whatever you wanna
want to do. No judgment here.
Mm.
But just make sure when it's time to leave, you have
Someone responsible
responsibility
who can
to drive.
If you're driving. Some of you are taking shuttle or like Uber or taxi. That's
Then
fine.
you're good.
You're good.
Get messed up. But if you have to drive back to the hotel, to your Airbnb, to your friend's house or whatever, make sure someone is sober enough to drive.
Tip number
Number
10. Leave early if you don't want to wait in traffic.
But then you miss out on a lot of stuff.
Like what?
I don't know. But,
No, I mean like getting there. To get there.
oh, to get there, yes.
To get there, leave
Save
early.
yourself
Like leave
traffic.
at like 5.
I think the latest we left was 8 o'clock one
And
time.
that was like we didn't get there till 11.
Yeah, almost
That's
11.
like the worst time. Between 8 and like 10
The worst time
is
to
the
leave.
worst time to leave your hotel because you're gonna sit in like 3 hours of traffic.
Mhm.
So, it's
So-
like if you want to see someone.
Although
you
we
just
said
leave
don't
early.
plan anything, but that's the only thing you need to plan for.
Leave
plan
early.
to leave early.
Yeah. You can always sit in the parking lot and just like hang out,
You
drink,
can pregame.
do whatever. Yeah,
Just
pregame in
make
the
sure
parking lot.
you don't see any security walking around because then.
Well, usually they don't care either.
I mean,
they're
they
pretty,
don't care,
they're
but then
pretty
some
relaxed
people,
about it.
some security
Some
guards
security
are
guards.
assholes.
Yeah.
Tip number 11. There's so many checkpoints just to get in, so be patient.
Yeah,
Have
when you
fun.
walk in.
That's when you meet new people. When you're waiting in line to get into it, into the venue, into the event. Literally, there's gonna be like, what was it, 4 or 5 checkpoints.
Okay, you go from your car and then you walk like half a mile to the first stop.
where they check your wristband.
They check your wristband
just to make
get in.
sure it wasn't counterfeit or anything.
Okay, then you
ID
get
check.
your ID check.
And then after that, you go on to
Then a
the
third,
wristband.
yeah, third thing. No,
Yeah, I think it's the wristband.
the wristband was first because they want to make
No,
sure
no.
people don't have fake ones.
No, but they're not like tagging them. They're just pulling them to make sure that they're not fake or they're on right. And
Okay,
then
the
once you get
first-
in, it's the IDs.
I feel like that's flipped, but whatever.
Well, either way, there's checkpoints.
There's a
After
lot.
that,
Then it's security.
wait, it's ID check, and then I'm pretty sure it's the wristband check where they put it on the damn chingadera, the plate, and they do the connection.
False.
And then
it's
patting down.
security.
That's where the
Get
security pats
ready
you.
for some up close and personal security.
Obviously, if you haven't been to a rave before, they split up the guys and the girls.
Yeah, I didn't think about that. That
Yeah.
sucks. Because usually I go with guys and then I'm all by myself.
And the guys' line goes a little faster too, right?
It depends.
It depends on who the guards are.
Yeah.
But then they do that, and then once you get through that, that's when the people are waiting to get into the venue.
That is going to be it for our guide to EDC video. That's a good name for it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Be sure to subscribe to him because he's going to be vlogging
Okay.
For you.
Please tell myself I'm not gonna like post so much, like especially on my Snap or my Instagram.
Oh, that should have been one. Live in the moment.
Yes, I live in the moment at the same time, but I also like to record it so that months later or even
You have
days
the
after, I
memories
have the
and the
memories.
feels.
Some things we have no memory of doing or taking, but none of us black out.
Yeah.
I'm just saying. But that just makes it all the better. So yeah, follow me on Snapchat.
Oh,
I've been
for
posting
sure.
a lot.
Follow him on Snapchat.
I already know.
What's your Snapchat?
Oh, Joe_SEPH23.
I'll like write it out.
Right here.
Follow him on
Instagram
Snapchat.
is
Instagram handle.
JosephOrozco.93.
So follow him for all the views.
It's on private.
Add him and then follow him. Alright, so that is gonna be it for this video. Be sure to like it down below if you liked it.
Share and subscribe.
Share and subscribe.
Remember these tips. Have fun.
Yeah, have fun.
The most important thing, have fun.
See you next Sunday with another video. Okay, bye.
Bye.